More than 200 experts and journalists attended an international conference on internet communication on Sunday in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. Participants discussed the international communication cooperation under the Belt and Road Initiative and had the chance to tell the facts about Xinjiang as seen with their own eyes.
The best part about Xinjiang is the nature. It's very beautiful. It is so blue sky, green nature, and people are so friendly. People are very warm-hearted, and especially the fresh fruits and very yummy food. It's very rich culture, I would say. People are very happy. They're always dancing. Everywhere I go, I see people dancing. It's like a festival every day. Xinjiang is very safe and very nice place to visit. And I would invite them, whosoever saying bad things, to come and visit Xinjiang and stay here. And I'm sure they will change their mind.